Alex, a 24-year-old who managed to make $10,000 a month on TikTok. The TikTok journey of Alex. Alex was always fascinated by social media but never really thought about making money through it. One day while scrolling through TikTok, Alex noticed how fast creators were growing and how some of them were monetizing their content. That's when the idea hit, why not me? Alex's niche was lifestyle and productivity. Armed with a phone, a simple ring light, and a passion for self-improvement, Alex started posting 15-second videos on how to stay organized, daily habits for success, and tips for managing time. The content was engaging, and Alex's personality shone through each video, making it relatable to a growing audience. Step 1. Building a following. In the first 2 months, Alex focused solely on creating consistent content, posting 3 to 4 times a day, and hopping on trending sounds that could be linked to productivity tips. Slowly, the followers started trickling in. Hashtags. Alex used popular but not overly saturated hashtags like #ProductivityHacks, #self-improvement, and #MotivationMonday to boost visibility. Engagement. Every time someone commented, Alex would respond with a thoughtful reply or even a follow-up video. This helped build a sense of community. Within 6 months, Alex had 100K followers. That's when things really started to take off. Step 2. Partnering with brands. Once the follower count was high enough, brands began reaching out. The first deal came from a company that sold planners and organization tools. It wasn't a huge deal, just $500 for a sponsored video, but it was a start. Soon, more offers rolled in. Sponsorships. Alex partnered with several brands that aligned with the productivity niche, charging $1,000 to $3,000 per post depending on the brand's budget and the type of content. Affiliate marketing. Alex joined affiliate programs from Amazon and other platforms to promote products like planners, time management books, and gadgets that help people stay organized. For every product sold through Alex's link, a 5 to 10% commission was earned. Creator Fund. By joining the TikTok Creator Fund, Alex earned a small amount of money based on views. Though it wasn't much compared to brand deals, it added up. On average, the Creator Fund contributed $500 to $1,000 per month. Step 3. Launching a digital product. Alex realized that making money solely from brand deals wasn't sustainable. So, after engaging with followers and understanding their pain points, Alex decided to create a digital product, a productivity course. The course, priced at $99, the course was designed to help people master time management and build lasting habits. Alex marketed it to the TikTok audience with short, impactful videos that showed the results of using these methods. Sales funnel. To promote the course, Alex used TikTok ads which linked directly to a landing page. On average, the course brought in $5,000 to $6,000 per month in sales, with a higher spike during special promotions. Step 4. Scaling to $10,000 a month. With steady growth and multiple income streams, Alex was soon making more than $10,000 a month. Here's the breakdown of the monthly earnings. Sponsorships. Per month. Affiliate marketing. Per month. TikTok Creator Fund. Per month. Digital product course. Per month. By diversifying income streams and focusing on engaging, value-packed content, Alex turned TikTok into a sustainable income source, all while staying authentic to the audience. Key takeaways from Alex's journey. 1. Consistency is key. Posting regularly and keeping up with trends help grow the following quickly. 2. Engagement matters. Building a community and connecting with followers boosted loyalty and trust, making it easier to sell products. 3. Multiple income streams. Relying on just one method of monetization is risky. Sponsorships, digital products, affiliate marketing, and the Creator Fund together provided financial security. 4. Stay authentic. By staying true to the productivity niche and not taking every brand deal, Alex was able to maintain trust with the audience, ensuring long-term success. Now, Alex enjoys the freedom of being a full-time TikTok creator, earning $10,000 plus per month while continuing to grow the brand. Let's imagine a story